Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and this color fill. Kids, first colors name: light pink color, sky blue color, light green color, red color, blue color, yellow color, pink color, brown color and orange color. Kids, shapes drawing: green color, 8-point star, heart, star, circle, pentagon, triangle, orange color. Kids, orange color, 8-point star, yellow color. Kids, heart, sky blue color, star, black color, circle, light pink color, pentagon, light green color, triangle, 8-point star, heart, star, circle, pentagon, triangle. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.